Hello everyone, welcome to Study IQ. In this video, I will present to you third week part 1 current affairs. Just yesterday I uploaded October 2nd week part 2 and do check out both the parts of every week, otherwise you will miss out on a lot of questions. And if you do both the parts of our weekly current affair videos, then nothing like it. So this is third week part 1. If you are preparing for SSC, Bank P or UPSC, our pen drive courses are available. These are some of the best selling courses. Just visit our website studyiq.com for more details. So here we go. For a first time, which country has started this innovative idea that in exchange for 44 bitcoins, you will get full citizenship? It is a very small island in the Pacific. It is called Vanuatu. So Vanuatu, Tuvalu, there is an island nation of Kiribati, Nauru. All of these are very, very small island countries in the Pacific. And remember that Tuvalu this year, I mean in 2016, last year, it was the least visited country for tourism. Tuvalu was the least visited country, and the capital of Vanuatu is Port Vila. Port Vila. Vanuatu has said we will provide you citizenship in exchange for bitcoins. Ram Singh Yadav, he passed away. He was a Congress member of Legislative Assembly, that is Vidhan Sabha, from which place? He was from Madhya Pradesh. And Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. It has Kanha National Park, it has Panna National Park, then it has Bandhavgarh Van Vihar National Park. So the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor of Madhya Pradesh is Mr. O.P. Kohli. President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi of which country, it had put on emergency, this country, but now the president has extended the emergency by another 3 months. By the way, in India also emergency provisions are there under Article 352, 356 and 360. So 352 is national emergency, 356 is state emergency, 360 is financial emergency. Financial emergency has never been imposed in India so far. And the country in question here is Egypt. Egypt's capital is Cairo. It has pyramids which are wonders of the world, and it has the longest river of the world, Nile, and it has a very important square called Tahrir Square. Tahrir Square is in Egypt. Times Square is in America, New York. Then we have important square. There is another square which is called Trafalgar Square. It is in London. Who has won the gold medal at the 2017 Egypt Junior and Cadet Table Tennis Open Championship? Her name is Selena Selvakumar. Selena Selvakumar. International Monetary Fund, it has suggested India 3 approaches for structural reforms in India. Which of the following is not one of them? Now, International Monetary Fund Director General, also called Chief, is Christine Lagarde. Christine Lagarde, she was appointed as the chief and she has been reappointed as the chief, which means she will do another term, and she is from France. It is headquartered in Washington DC along with NASA headquarter and World Bank headquarter, and they have suggested 3 important structural reforms in India. First is addressing the banking sector weaknesses like non-performing asset. Second is fiscal reconsolidation, and the third is improving the efficiency of labor. So the answer is first. This has not been suggested by IMF, incentive structure. Who has been selected for the Padam Prabha Puruskaram 2017 by Padam Prabha Memorial Trust? It is Prabha Verma. And this award was started in the memory of M.K. Padam Prabha. And who is Prabha Verma? Prabha Verma is a very important poet, lyricist and also journalist. Birsa Munda Tribal University has been inaugurated in which state? Birsa Munda was only 25 years old when he left for heavenly abode, and he was a very important freedom fighter from Jharkhand. And Birsa Munda Tribal University has been inaugurated in Gujarat. Now, if they ask you where in Gujarat, in the Rajpipla area, it is a town in Narmada district of Gujarat. Now, Narmada is the name of a river also, which takes its origin from Madhya Pradesh in Amarkantak. Then it goes to Maharashtra, and finally it goes to Gujarat. There is an important project also which is called Soni project on Narmada river, and Sardar Sarovar Dam is also on Narmada river. It also forms Dhuandhar waterfall in Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh. And Gujarat has a Chief Minister Vijay Rupani, and elections will be very soon taking place in Gujarat. Date is not out yet. Which metro in India, it has launched a scheme of 100 hours of free bicycle ride per month. This important innovative scheme for environment, making it pollution free, has been started by Chennai Metro. Chennai, it is in Tamil Nadu, and Tamil Nadu, you have Mukurthi National Park, which is very, very important. You have Medumalai National Park, Indira Gandhi National Park, You also have Guindi National Park. These are very, very important. And of course, Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park. Now remember, Lucknow Metro is the first metro in India to start its own FM. And Delhi Metro is the only metro in India which is Green Metro. Appointment Committee of the Cabinet, it has appointed how many new secretary to various government department. New secretaries which are appointed are 11 in number. And you have to just remember three most important one. So Mr. Ajay Narayan Jha. Ajay Narayan Jha is, he will succeed Mr. Ashok Lavasa in the Finance Ministry Expenditure Department. Then you have C.K. Mishra. He is the new Environment Secretary. And our Environment Minister is Dr. Harshvardhan, Environment, Forest and Climate Change. He is also the Minister for Science and Technology. He is a Lok Sabha MP from Chandni Chowk in Delhi. And A.N. Jha is our Expenditure Department in Secretary in the Ministry of Finance. And we have Injeti Srinivas. Injeti Srinivas is our Sports Secretary, but now he is no more the Sports Secretary. He will now be our Corporate Affairs Secretary in the Ministry of Finance. And our Finance Minister is Arun Jaitley, who is a Rajya Sabha MP from Gujarat, along with Smriti Irani. Now also remember one more thing, that our Sports Minister is Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore now, not Vijay Goyal. Vijay Goyal has been made Minister of State in the Parliamentary Affairs Department, and Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore is the Minister of State with independent charge for Sports and Youth Affairs. He is also a silver medal winner in the 2004 Athens Olympics in double trap shooting. Pakistan has recently launched its first metro, which is called the Orange Line Metro train service. In which city it has launched? It is the capital of Punjab, the Pakistani Punjab. It is Lahore. Lahore is the capital of Punjab, and Karachi is the capital of Sindh, and Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Their Pradhan Mantri PM is Shahid Khaqan Abbasi. And remember one more thing, that Pakistan, there is a port called Gwadar which is made by China, and this metro is also made by China. You can see Xi Jinping also here. Scientists from which country, they have developed a military watch which can even withstand nuclear blast. So this watch will not be destroyed even in case of a nuclear attack. It has been made by powerful Russia. With the help of Russia, we have made Kundankulam nuclear power plant in Tamil Nadu. Now remember, Tamil Nadu has two nuclear power plants. One is Kalpakkam and one is Kundankulam. And one more thing, as I said, Mukurthi and Guindi National Park are in Tamil Nadu. And another nuclear power plant that you need to remember is Kaiga. Kaiga, it is in Karnataka. And there are 2-3 more, if you can remember. Naroda, it is in Uttar Pradesh. Jaitapur and Tarapur are in Maharashtra. So in Gujarat also you have two. One is called Mithi Waldi, and the second is called, there was one more in Gujarat, Kakrapara. Yeah, Kakrapara. And Rawat Bhata nuclear power plant is in Rajasthan. So these are the only ones that you need to remember from the exam point of view. Russia's president is Vladimir Putin, and Moscow is the capital, ruble is the currency. In Russia, we will have 2018 Football World Cup next year. Who has become the youngest Indian celebrity to have his wax statue at the Madame Tussauds in Hong Kong? Hong Kong is a special administrative region of China. Capital is Hong Kong City, and his name is Varun Dhawan. He is the son of famous director David Dhawan. His movie Judwa 2 released recently. Which country has banned the import of fruit and vegetable because they are saying that we want to save our foreign currency? It is Zimbabwe. Please note, Zimbabwe, Ireland and Afghanistan. These are the only 3 countries which are test playing, but still they will not be a part of the ICC test league started by the ICC. And ICC CEO is Dave Richardson, ICC president is Zahir Abbas, and ICC chairman is Shashank Manohar of India. Zahir Abbas is of Pakistan. And now my first question for you today. Dave Richardson is of which country? He is the CEO of International Cricket Council. And also tell me, where is the headquarters of International Cricket Council? Now Zimbabwe's capital is Harare, and Zimbabwe's ruler is Robert Mugabe. Robert Mugabe has been made Goodwill Ambassador by World Health Organization, whose chairman is Tedros Adhanom, who is from Ethiopia, and WHO is headquartered in Geneva. Which Konkani folk artist has been selected for the 2017 Kalakar Puruskar? Konkani is the state language of Goa, and this Konkani folk artist specializes in an art which is called Kodami in Goa. Goa's chief minister is Mr. Manohar Parrikar, who is the ex-defense minister of India. Right now, of course, defense minister is Nirmala Sitharaman, and he has been selected for Kalakar Puruskar by Mand Sobhan committee. What is his name? His name is Gopal Gowda, and the governor of Goa is Mridula Sinha, who is a very renowned Hindi literaturist. The provisions of the FDDI Act, they have come into force, and it has been granted. Now FDDI will be granted as the Institute of National Importance. FDDI was established by which ministry? It was established by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and our Minister of Commerce and Industry is Suresh Prabhu, who was earlier the Railway Minister of India. Now the Railway Minister is Piyush Goyal along with Coal Ministry. And now, whenever any institute is given the title of Institute of National Importance, it means it can now grant diploma and degree. Who is the inspiration of the documentary called An Insignificant Man? He is one of the co-founders of Aam Aadmi Party, Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. This is made on his life, how he rose to the position which he is at right now. And this documentary is directed by Khushbu Ranka and Veena Shukla. Which country's naval ship? It is called Samudra Abhijan. It arrived at Vishakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh on a goodwill visit. Which country's ship is Samudra Abhijan? It is a ship of Bangladesh. Bangladesh Pradhan Mantri Sheikh Hasina. Dhaka is the capital and Taka is the currency. Bangladesh. Which fine dining restaurant has been ranked first in India and second in Asia by TripAdvisor in the Traveler's Choice Award? It is the best restaurant in India. The name is Indian Accent and it is in Delhi. And this restaurant is owned by chef Manish Mehrotra. What was the 2017 theme of World Food Day? World Food Day was observed on October the 16th and it was organized by Food and Agriculture Organization, the headquarters of which is in Rome, capital of Italy. Italy's Prime Minister is Paolo Gentiloni, and in Rome we also have the headquarters of World Food Program, WFP. So the theme this year was Change the Future of Migration, Invest in Food Security and Rural Development. Please note that migration will not take place if the people get food security in their area also. For example, in India, the people are coming from villages to cities only because of food. Food security is not there in villages. And who is our agriculture minister? His name is Radha Mohan Singh. He is a Lok Sabha MP from Purvi Champaran in Bihar. Then our food processing minister is Harsimrat Kaur Badal from the Akali Dal Party, NDA. She is a part of NDA, National Democratic Alliance, and she is a Lok Sabha MP from Bhatinda. And our consumer affair minister and public distribution system minister is Ram Vilas Paswan, who is a Lok Sabha MP from Hajipur in Bihar. Which country has announced to quit the precautionary flexible credit line of IMF that is worth around 65,000 crore rupees or $9.2 billion? This country is Poland. Capital of Poland is Warsaw. And they have withdrawn because Poland's economy is doing very well now. And IMF is headquartered in Washington DC and its chairman is Christine Lagarde. They call it Director General there. Which bank has launched an Android app which is called Union Sahyog? It is launched by Union Bank of India and Mr. Raj Kiran Rai ji. Mr. Raj Kiran Rai ji is the new managing director and CEO of Union Bank of India. You should know at least 6 important managing director and CEO. For example, ICICI Bank, it is Chanda Kochar. State Bank of India, Rajneesh Kumar is the new chairman after Arundhati Bhattacharya retiring. And Punjab National Bank, it is Sunil Mehta. And Punjab National Bank's ex-managing director, Ushanand Subramaniam, is now Allahabad Bank CEO. And Shikha Sharma is Axis Bank. And Rana Kapoor is Yes Bank. Aditya Puri is HDFC. Remember these 7 banks only. Who has become one of the youngest millionaires in United Kingdom by starting an online real estate company which is called doorsteps.co.uk, and he is only 19 years old. What is his name? His name is Akshay Ruparelia. Akshay Ruparelia. Who has been awarded the first Centenary National Award? Centenary means 100 years for literature by Assam Sahitya Sabha. Assam has a new governor, Jagdish Mukhi, and Assam Chief Minister is Sarbanand Sonowal. Assam capital is Dispur. It has Dibru Saikhova National Park. It has Sonai Rupai National Park, Manas, Kaziranga, Orang. It has Amchang Wildlife Sanctuary. So many things are there in Assam. It also has an island called Majuli in on Brahmaputra River. And on Brahmaputra River, India has inaugurated the first floating laboratory also. So, her name is Namita Gokhale. Namita Gokhale, her most famous novel is A Himalayan Love Story. Which state's police has launched an initiative where the foot patrol officers will keep a watch across all the districts? Foot patrol officers. This is an innovative scheme of Punjab. Captain Amrinder Singh is the Chief Minister of Punjab. Next, who is the author of the recently released book called The Coalition Year? So you know that Atal Bihari Vajpayee, he had almost 22 parties in a coalition. So the coalition years 1996 to 2012, and this book is one of the important. It is the third part of Pranab Mukherjee's memoirs. So the answer is Pranab Mukherjee. He was the 13th president of India, and sitting beside him is Prime Minister of India for 2 term, UPA 1, UPA 2, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Which of the following is our own India's made in India anti-submarine warfare stealth? Stealth means a ship which hits secretly. Corvette, which has been commissioned into the Indian Navy. And remember, there are two ships called INS Satpura and INS Kadmat. They recently went to Japan for exercise. Now, this anti-submarine corvette, it is called INS Kiltan, and our Navy chief is Sunil Lamba. Which city is going to host the India International Cherry Blossom Festival? Cherry Blossom Festival is the famous festival of Japan, by the way. Now it is celebrated in more than 20 countries. In India, it will be hosted by Shillong, which is the capital of Meghalaya. And in Meghalaya, you have two important national park. One is called Nokrak National Park and the second is called Balpakram National Park. And in Nagaland, you have Intanki National Park. And you have a festival also called Hornbill. Capital is Kohima. So Shillong is Meghalaya's capital. Which state has launched Bhavantar Bhugtan Yojana for farmer that aims to cushion them from the price crashes, which can lead to farmer suicides? This has been started in Madhya Pradesh and it will put a cost of 3,000 crore rupees on the state exchequer. Madhya Pradesh has started Bhavantar Bhugtan Yojana. Which of the following has emerged as the most authentic brand in India as per the 2017 Authentic Brand Study by Cohen and Wolf? Now remember, for India rankings are different, for the world rankings are different. Let me first tell you about the world. World number one company, most authentic brand is Amazon, followed by Apple, followed by Microsoft. Amazon CEO is Jeff Bezos, Apple is Tim Cook, and Microsoft is Satya Nadella. Whereas in India, number one is Google. Number one is Google in India, second is Microsoft in India, and third is Amazon in India. So that is the difference. And Google CEO is Sundar Pichai, who is again an Indian. When was International Day of Rural Women? It was observed. And the theme this year was Challenges and Opportunities in Climate Resilient Agriculture for Gender Equality and the Empowerment of Rural Women and Girls. So basically, rural women can only be empowered if the gender equality is there and the gender gap is less, and also the agriculture that they practice should be climate resilient, it should be sustainable. So this day was observed on October the 15th. Which High Court in India has said that if you want to open a bar or a wine shop in a village, then you have to take permission from Gram Sabha. It is said by Hyderabad High Court. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana, and in Telangana we have Mrugavani National Park, which is very, very important. Mrugavani National Park is there in Telangana, and Hyderabad is located on the bank of the river Musi. And in Hyderabad, you also have Char Minar, you have Golconda Fort, you have Hussain Sagar Lake, which is in Lumini Park area. Telangana Chief Minister is Chandrasekhar Rao, who is going to be conferred with the Indira Gandhi Award for National Integration for 2015-2016. By the way, this person is also the winner of Ramon Magsaysay Award. Ramon Magsaysay Award is called the Nobel Prize of Asia and it is given by the government of Philippines. So his name is T.M. Krishna, and by the way, this award was started in the year 1985. Moody's Investor Service, they have affirmed the rating on State Bank of India. It is local and foreign currency deposits. What is the rating given by Moody's to State Bank of India? It is Baa3 P3. State Bank of India new chairman is Rajneesh Kumar. Which bank has signed a memorandum of understanding with Abu Dhabi Global Market for cross-border exchange between the fintech ecosystem of UAE and India? So together these two banks will cooperate with each other for exchange of financial technology information. This bank is Yes Bank, and Rana Kapoor is the managing director of Yes Bank. It is headquartered in Mumbai. Who won the women's single title at the Tianjin Open? She has also written her autobiography, which is called Unstoppable: My Life So Far. Her name is Maria Sharapova and she is from Russia. She was also accused of doping and she was banned for more than 1 year. By the way, World Anti-Doping Headquarters is in Montreal in Canada. World Students Day, which was celebrated on October the 15th, is birth anniversary of which legend? His name is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was awarded Bharat Ratna also. By the way, one good news. Now Switzerland is saying that we will celebrate May 26 as Science Day to honor Dr. Abdul Kalam. May 26 will be observed as Science Day in Switzerland because in 2005, Dr. Kalam, he visited Switzerland. How many Indian peacekeepers They were stationed in South Sudan. They have been awarded the UN medal for being a part of the UN mission in South Sudan. What is the capital of South Sudan? The capital is Juba. Okay. And of Sudan is Khartoum. So there is a difference, right? And UN Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. UN headquarters is in New York, the same place where we have the headquarters of UNICEF also. And total 50 Indian peacekeepers they have been awarded recently. Which state governments, Directorate of Treasuries and Inspection, they have signed a memorandum of understanding with State Bank of India for integration of their SBI electronic pay platform with the cyber treasury of this state. It has been done by the government of Odisha. Capital is Bhubaneswar, which is being made a smart city by Germany along with Kochi and Coimbatore. And France is making smart city Chandigarh, Nagpur and Puducherry. Remember that. Odisha's Naveen Patnaik is the chief minister, Dr. S.C. Jamir is the governor, and Odisha you have Simlipal Wildlife Sanctuary and Bhitarkanika National Park. Which Indian city has been ranked as one of the world's worst mega city? Mega city means which has a population of more than 1 crore or 10 million. So it has been ranked one of the world's worst mega cities for sexual violence against women in a survey by Thomson Reuters. It is of course Delhi. World's safest city is Tokyo. Tokyo is the safest city in the world, and world's safest city for women is London, which is the capital of England. Tokyo is of course the capital of Japan. Japan's currency is yen. Prime Minister is Shinzo Abe. Now remember, Japan has Mount Fuji. Which of the following banks in India has bought a company called Bharat Financial Inclusion for 15,000 crore or 2.5 billion dollar? This is IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank, Mr. Romesh Sobti. Mr. Romesh Sobti is the managing director and CEO of IndusInd Bank. Now there is a gentleman who is called Atul Sobti. Can you tell me Atul Sobti is the chairman of which important organization in India? Which important PSU? Can you write in comments? What is the name of the project launched by the Agriculture Ministry to boost the horticulture sector in India by using remote sensing satellites? And this project will be completed by March 2018. Now remember, horticulture means when we grow vegetables and fruits mainly. This is called Chaman, and our agriculture minister is Radha Mohan Singh. Now what is the full form of Chaman? They will surely ask you. It is called Coordinated Horticulture Assessment and Management. Coordinated Horticulture Assessment and Management, in short, Chaman. Which of the following is working with states to adopt first set of agri-market reforms? Agri-market reforms will be there in India, like contract farming and future trading in agriculture. It is done by Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog CEO is Amitabh Kant and Vice Chairman is Rajiv Kumar, who succeeded Mr. Arvind Pangaria. Richard Wilbur, he passed away. He was a famous what? So he was an award-winning poet from America. Now remember, he was a Pulitzer Prize-winning poet. So Pulitzer Prize is one of the most prestigious awards in the literary space. And his famous book is Things of the World. Things of the World. Indian Navy. Now let me tell you something what happened. There was a ship which is called Emerald Star. This ship sank. Okay, it drowned in the ocean. And there were 10 Indians. So to rescue those 10 Indians, Indian Navy sent its aircraft called P-81 to which country? It sent it to Philippines. Philippines is the the capital is Manila, and Manila is the headquarters of Asian Development Bank. And President of Philippines is Rodrigo Duterte. Which company has launched an initiative called Prerna, which will basically empower Indian women, and this was launched. This scheme Prerna means motivation in English, and this scheme was launched on the occasion of Mahila Kisan Divas or Women Farmer Day, which was celebrated on October the 15th. Now let me tell you, before I tell you the answer, let me tell you something very interesting, important. 23rd December in India is birthday of former Prime Minister of India, Chaudhry Charan Singh. Charan Singh is the former Prime Minister of India whose birthday is on 23rd December. It is celebrated as Farmer Day in India. Okay? Because Chaudhry Charan Singh did a lot of work for the farmers of the country. Now, I am talking about Kisan Divas or Women Farmer Day, right? That is on October 15, whereas normal Farmer Day is on 23rd of December. And just after 2 days, we have Christmas on 25th December. But 25th December is also the birthday of another Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. It is also Christmas Day, and it is also celebrated as Good Governance Day. Now, the company here which I am talking about is Mahindra & Mahindra, and chairman is Anand Mahindra. PNB Paribas. BNP Paribas has tied up with which company to transform its platform called Corporate Event Connect using blockchain technology? This country is TCS, and the name of the platform will be TCS Quartz. Now, who is the chairman of Tata? N. Chandrasekharan. Which of the following acts have recently come into force? It is the Bureau of Indian Standards Act of 2016, BIS 2016. Now, every metal will be hallmarked by the Government of India. And the chief of BIS or Bureau of Indian Standard is Surina Rajan. She is the Director General or Chief of the BIS. Which of the following exchange in India? It has launched an options contract in gold on the occasion of Dhanteras, which is celebrated 2 days before Diwali, or one day before Choti Diwali as it called in Hindi, 2 days before the Diwali festival. It is the Multi Commodity Exchange. And Multi Commodity Exchange, who is the CEO? This has been asked a lot of times in the exam. It is Mr. Murugang Paranjpe. Murugang Paranjpe is the CEO of Multi Commodity Exchange. Who is going to be the CEO of the combined merged company of Bharti Airtel in Ghana and International Cellular, Millicom International Cellular? They will together make the second largest telecom company in Ghana. Capital of Ghana is Accra. And the person who will be responsible is Roshi Mothman. Now remember one more thing. Bharti Airtel CEO in India is Gopal Vittal, whereas the chairman of Bharti Airtel is Sunil Mittal. Which state in India has a major share of over 39% cancer cases recorded in India? Out of all the cancer cases in India, 39% are in this state. It is Haryana. And Haryana, two important national parks are there, Kalesar National Park and Sultanpur National Park. Now remember, Haryana Chief Minister is Manohar Lal Khattar of the Bharatiya Janata Party and Governor is Kaptan Singh Solanki. Also remember that out of all the cancers in India, 10% are the breast cancer. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, which is headquartered in Mumbai and chairman is Mr. Ajay Tyagi. It is the capital market regulator in India. It has formed a committee which will review whether the market infrastructure institution, also called MII, they are following the proper regulations and rules or not. It will be headed by which person? It will be headed by Mr. R. Gandhi. Lake Tandon, he passed away. He was a famous what? So he was one of the most famous actors and directors in India. So the answer is film. By the way, one of the movies in which he acted, Amrapali, in 1966, it was official entry of India to the Oscar. This year in 2017, India's entry is a movie called Newton. The role of Newton is played by Rajkumar Yadav and Newton is directed by Amit Masurkar. Amit Masurkar. In 2016, India sent a Tamil movie called Visaranai to the Oscars. How many countries have been elected to serve on the United Nations Human Rights Council? Already there were 47 countries. Now 15 countries more will be a part of it, like Pakistan, Nepal, Afghanistan, and so on. Who has won the Man Booker Prize for his novel Lincoln in the Bardo? He is an American and his name is George Saunders. Pulitzer, Man Booker Prize and Pulitzer Prize, these are some of the very, very important awards. Punyaslok Dasgupta, he passed away. He was a very famous what? So he was a poet. And let me tell you, he was from West Bengal. And in West Bengal, we have Singai Leela National Park. We have Jaldapara National Park, Neora Valley National Park. Now don't confuse Neora Valley with Pin Valley. Pin Valley is in Himachal Pradesh and Silent Valley is in Kerala. This is Neora Valley. By the way, they also have two other important parks called Baksa National Park and Goru Mara National Park. Ayush Festival for stamps is going to be held in which state? It will be organized by the Goa Postal Region. So the answer is Goa. Goa Chief Minister is Manohar Parrikar, who is the ex-Defense Minister of India. And Ayush means 5 important Indian traditional system of medicine: Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy. And for that, our minister is Shripad Yesso Nayak. What is the name of the online campaign that is launched by the Ministry of Women and Child Development to end the gender bias in women against women? So there should be no gender bias. So it is called I Am That Woman. By the way, there is another campaign going on which is called Me Too, which is basically that if you have been sexually harassed in your life, especially when you were at a much younger age where you did not realize it was sexual harassment, then you can also put a hashtag Me Too on social media. Which of the following companies it has partnered with Textile Ministry to work directly with the weavers and promote the handloom industry? Which company I am talking about? It is Myntra. Myntra company, and Mr. Ananta Narayan is the CEO of Myntra. Don't confuse him with Shantanu Narayan, who is a global CEO of Adobe. And Flipkart CEO is Kalyan Krishnamurthy, although the company was founded by Sachin and Benny Bansal. Our textile minister is Smriti Irani, who is a Rajya Sabha MP from Gujarat, and she is also our information broadcasting minister. Which company has announced a global partnership with Hyperloop One? This company is the Virgin Group and its chairman is Richard Branson. You must have heard of Virgin Atlantic, Virgin Airlines, Richard Branson. World's first negative emissions power plant has become operational in which country? The capital of this country is Reykjavik. It is Iceland and currency is krona, which is also the currency of Sweden. Capital of Sweden is Stockholm. Iceland has a lot of volcanoes also. Global Hand Washing Day was observed on which date? Hand washing is important for maintaining good hygiene. It was observed on October the 15th, and this time the theme was Our Hands, Our Future. Which state in India has become the first state in India to call attention and adjournment motion online from its MLAs? Which state is this which has provided this facility? It is Rajasthan. It has Sariska National Park, Ranthambore, Keoladio, which is called Bharatpur, and it also has Desert National Park. Kalyan Singh is the governor, Vasundhara Raje is the chief minister, and it has Rawat Bhata nuclear power plant also. Which team won the 37th All India Governors Gold Cup football tournament for the 10th time? It was held in Gangtok. Gangtok is capital of Sikkim. Sikkim is also the first open defecation free and first organic state of India. And CM is Pawan Chamling. I am talking about Mohan Bagan. They beat Partha Chakra in the final. Olympic gold medal winning sailor Robert Shidett, he has announced his retirement from Olympics. He belongs to which country? Now, next Olympic is in 2020 in Tokyo, 2024 in Paris, and 2028 in America in Los Angeles. So, I'm talking about Brazilian person Robert Shidett. By the way, let me tell you his achievements. So, in 1996 in Atlanta Olympics, he won the gold medal. Again, in 2004 in Athens Olympics, he won the gold medal. In between, we had in 2000 Sydney Olympics where he won the silver medal, and in Beijing 2008 Olympics he again won the silver medal. So legend, absolute legend. International Day for the Eradication of Poverty was observed on which date? It is observed on October the 17th. And the theme this year was Answering the Call of October 17 to End Poverty, a Path Towards Peaceful and Inclusive Society. Election Commission of India has announced that elections in this state will take place on 9th of November in just single phase. Which state I am talking about? I am talking about Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh, which has some very important national park like Indar Kila. Don't confuse Indar Kila with Indravati. Indravati is in Chhattisgarh. Indar Kila is in Himachal Pradesh. It also has Kheer Ganga, Pin Valley, Great Himalayan National Park, Simbal Bara National Park. All of these are in Himachal Pradesh. Veerbhadra Singh of Congress is the chief minister. Acharya Devvrat is the governor, who has been conferred with the third American Bazaar Philanthropy Award. Philanthropy is when you donate a lot of money or when you do a lot for the society. That is called philanthropy. And his name is Mr. Ajay Raju. Roy Doctris, he passed away. He was a famous what? He is also one of the Guinness World Record holders for playing, most characters by a single actor in an audio book. So he was a great actor. How many students from SR Engineering College in Telangana will take part in the 5th annual NASA Human Exploration Rover Challenge, which will be held in 2018? Now remember, NASA had a mission called Juno for Jupiter, and for Saturn they had mission Cassini, and total 5 students will take part in this. There was a bench. Now let me tell you what this question is about. So in July, section 498 of the Indian Penal Code, which basically is related to dowry. And in dowry, earlier there was that if a woman files a complaint that the male or husband will be immediately arrested. Now Supreme Court diluted it in July because it said there were a lot of false dowry cases. In fact, more than 80% of the cases were false. So they diluted, which meant that now the male will not be arrested, husband will not be arrested unless the entire inquiry is complete. Now there is a new bench of the Supreme Court which has disagreed with the judgment. So who headed this new bench? It was headed by the Chief Justice of India, Deepak Mishra, who is the 45th Chief Justice of India. As per the CAPA, which means Center for Asia Pacific Aviation, if India wants to have by 2030 year 50 to 60 crore of the people traveling by airways, then it needs to invest how much money more? It needs to invest $45 billion. And our Minister for Civil Aviation is Ashok Gajapati Raju, who headed the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defense, which basically, ascertained our defense preparedness, operational preparedness of the armed forces, all the 3 armed forces. He is the ex-Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. His name is B.C. Khanduri. 63rd Annual National Conference of EPICON, which means Association of Physiologists and Pharmacologists of India, recently took place where? This conference took place recently in Puducherry. Puducherry. And remember that Puducherry will be made a smart city by France. And in fact, Puducherry was under French occupation. And our health minister is JP Nadda. And Puducherry, the chief minister is V. Narayanaswamy. Who has become the first Indian woman to sign with the World Wrestling Entertainment? Her name is Kavita Devi. She is from Haryana. By the way, remember one more person, Jinder Mahal, who is the WWE champion. He is also from India. Pakistan has signed a memorandum of understanding with which country to improve its border security management? This country is Iran. We have made a port here called Chabar. Capital is Tehran. Currency is Riyal. And president is Hassan Rouhani. Don't confuse Hassan Rouhani with Ashraf Ghani. Ashraf Ghani is the president of Afghanistan. Who has won the men's single title at the Shanghai Master? He defeated his arch rival Rafael Nadal of Spain. His name is of course legend Roger Federer. It was his 94th title, and this year he has beaten Rafael Nadal 4 times in a row. Now Rafael Nadal is from Switzerland, Roger Federer is from Switzerland, Rafael Nadal is from Spain, and Roger Federer this year he won the Wimbledon and Australian Open, and Rafael Nadal won the US Open and the French Open. First time which state in India has announced to set up a Scheduled Caste Advisory Council? Scheduled Caste Advisory Council has been set up by West Bengal government. They have almost 23% of the population scheduled caste. First ever All India Institute of Ayurveda. It was inaugurated on the occasion of Ayurveda Day on October the 17th. At which place? It was inaugurated in New Delhi. And Ayurveda comes under Ayush, and Shripad Yesso Naik is the Minister of State for Ayush with independent charge. Who has been conferred with a Lifetime Achievement Award at the 2nd British Asian Achiever Award? His name is Lord Swaraj Paul. And who is Lord Swaraj Paul? He is the chairman of Caparo Group, and he is also the Chancellor of the Wolverhampton University. And in the world, he is the longest serving Chancellor of any UK university, that is Wolverhampton University. Which of the following is going to invest $1 billion in the National Investment and Infrastructure Fund? Which company is this? It is the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority. Abu Dhabi is the capital of United Arab Emirates. First time, which Indian girl has won the subtitle of Best Performer at the Little Miss World 2017 pageant that was held in Greece? Capital of Greece is Athens. Athens hosted the first ever Olympics in 1896 and again in 2004. So which girl I'm talking about? Her name is Purvi GB. ICC has approved a trial test series between which of the following country? The trial test series will be between South Africa and Zimbabwe. So the answer is 2 and 3. Who has been appointed as the managing director and CEO of company Voltas? His name is Pradeep Bakshi. This is a direct question. Shamsher Khan. Now this is important. Shamsher Khan has passed away. He was India's Olympic first what? He was the first swimmer to take part in Olympics from Indian side. And then he joined army after retiring, and he took part in the 1962 war against China and 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War against Pakistan. And remember, Shamsher Khan was an Indian swimmer. Who is the author of the recently released book called Beyond the Dream Girl? Dream Girl is the name of Hema Malini, and this is a biography written by Ram Kamal Mukherjee. Haryana government has recently approved renaming which village to Abhimanyupur after Abhimanyu, who was son of Arjuna in Mahabharata. So this is the Amin village. By the way, they have also renamed Ballabgarh as Balramgarh. Who have been appointed 2 new members in the railway board. New chairman of railway board is Ashwani Lohani. Ashwani Lohani was the chairman and managing director of Air India, but his position is taken by Rajiv Bansal. Rajiv Bansal is now the chairman and managing director of Air India. Ashwani Lohani is the new chairman of railway board. Railway minister is Piyush Goyal. He also is the coal minister. 2 new people are Mr. D.K. Gayan and Mahesh Kumar Gupta. So the answer is 3 and 4. World Spine Day. Spine is your backbone. It was observed, the theme was Your Back in Action. It was observed on which day? It was observed on October the 16th. Which bank has selected the company iGTB, it is Intellect Design Arena's iGTB digital transaction banking platform, as technology partner to implement its cash management platform? It is the Bangkok Bank, and Bangkok is the capital of Thailand. Oil Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, he will attend 6th annual LNG Producers Consumer Conference to be held in which country? It will be held in Japan, and Japan is also the largest importer of LNG in the world. India is the 4th largest importer. Dharmendra Pradhan is also the Skill Development Minister. So this was the best MCQs from the 3rd week. This was only part 1. Do wait for the part 2, which will be out tomorrow. Keep watching, keep enjoying Study IQ in English language.